showing you how to replace a rear latitude sink latch. First, start with removing the screws that hold the hinge on the first panel. After removing the hinges from the rear panel, we want to take the cross member out. And then slide the rear cross member out. Remove the screw that holds the retainer from one end. Loosen the set screws that are located between the sink latches and the opposite end as well. Slide the assembly out, making sure you don't lose the spring. Assembling the outer sink latch. Insert the spring. After assembling the outer sink latch, insert it back into the cross member. Leaving the rear portion of it out to engage the inner sink latch fingers. And slide the assembly into the cross member. Install the rod spacers on the rod. Just snug the set screw up. Slide the rod spacers in. Followed by the opposite inner sink latch. Assemble the other sink latch. Reassemble the end. And now the assembly is ready to install back into the rear panel. Insert the cross member back into the channels on both sides of the rear panel and slide back to its original location. There may be some burrs from where the screws came out that you'll have to overcome. And then reinstall the 4 screws. After completing that, it's time to reinstall the hinge. install the screws. Tighten the outer set screw. And repeat on the opposite side. This is an improper adjusted CYNC latch. By moving the inner, both sides are moving. It will still function this way, but the ends will not go out all the way. Loosen the set screw, you should hear it snap. Making sure you're keeping the distance on the opposite side, pushing this one. Another improperly adjusted CYNC latch is when you move the center and the outsides do not move. After you've made the adjustments, close the cover.